Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and triple Q gapping down, clearly on a downtrend. So I'm expecting a pop and then a slow fade. But going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon and Tesla. Looks like Amazon and Tesla is trying to reverse, but I'm not sure how long that trend would continue. Since the market is down, overall I'm bearish and I'll be looking to take put positions. We do have around 4 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Nvidia and Tesla. Look at how quickly Tesla has reversed. Not ready to take it yet. Getting in at 9:15. I didn't get it. Bummer there. I'll wait. Watching triple Q. Triple Q is staying strong, that's why I'm hesitating to add. This candle closes in another 3 seconds. So Tesla is trading below the EMA, the 8 EMA. It's coming up above it. $8.50 I'm in. One contract. My next tag would be around here. I'll give it some time. Not in a hurry. This candle closes in 30 seconds. I'm out. That was a perfect trade. I like how I waited. Pull the trigger when the setup was presented. Now I may look to add over here, this area. I didn't reach there. I'll just keep waiting. Around 4 minutes for this candle to close, so not in a hurry here. 675 I'm in. Very close. I'll be quick to get out. My second ad would be around here with exit around 740. Out. Perfect trade. Pull the trigger when the opportunity was presented. Quick scalps is how I'm comfortable trading in this market because things can quickly reverse. Not a great candle for shorting. Shows strength. And I don't think it's a good idea shorting Tesla again. Because since market open, Tesla has been strong. I was going against the bigger trend. And now triple Q is also back. I don't feel comfortable taking long positions in this market, so I think I'll call it today. A very short day of trading, 2 trades, 2 winners, making around $85. Have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.